Oh, absolutely. I think if you're going to matches and you're not learning something about yourself, then you're probably not really paying attention to the match, whether it goes good, bad, or it's just another match. I think that's one of the important things to really come away with in shooting in general is every time you compete, there's something to be learned, there's something to gain from that, even if it was a new low for you. Learn from it and move on. We can go throughout history and watch people that failed miserably over and over and over again and then become champions. And I think that's just because they don't let that bad performance be just a bad performance. They let it be a learning experience that they go ahead and pull information from and then use that the next time they compete.